How to change Lebara Sim to eSIM. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your Lebara Sim to eSIM. So you have two methods. If you are a new order or if you are a new receiver of the Lebara Sim, then you just have to select the eSIM option when ordering your mobile subscription. Once your mobile subscription is activated, you need to find your eSIM QR code in your My Lebara account. Then you need to go to the settings, then select the mobile network option. After that, you need to select the add data plan on your device and then scan the QR code. Next, you need to follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the setup. So this was the steps that you need to take in order to convert your SIM into eSIM if you are a new user. If you are an existing customer on Lebara, then you need to just simply log in into your My Lebara account and request an eSIM under the My settings and the switch to eSIM option. After completing the order, you need to find your eSIM QR code in the My Lebara section. Then you need to go to the settings, then mobile network, add data plan on your device, and then scan the QR code. And again, you need to follow the further instructions in order to complete the setup. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.